afternoon, everybody. It's James Murray. Welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. And just because we're all locked down doesn't mean we can't cook together. So today, I'm going to collaborate with my friend Rebecca, and we're going to do something special with garlic. So what are we cooking today, Rebecca? Here, take some of mine.
So today, we're going to do meatballs, quarantine style, an homage to Italy, thoughts and prayers to everyone over there.
I love garlic.
A pound of beef to a half a pound of pork.
Alright everybody, so now it's time to roll. All the meatballs are rolled. Time to brown them in a cast iron skillet.
So make sure you turn over your meatballs. A lot of people who have superstition about never touching the sauce once it's in the pot. I do.
My pasta is ready. Who wants to cook with me next? It can be a snack, a cocktail, or something more elaborate. So if you'd like to collaborate, send me a direct message. I'm going to put my email listed below. Send me your recipe and let's cook together. Thanks everybody, and stay tuned until next time.